Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I am going to be showing you how to recreate Sandy from Grease for a last minute Halloween costume. It's actually really easy to do, and I feel like if you don't have any of the items to complete the look, you can find them pretty cheap. Now I am going to show you in depth how I created the makeup look, but first I'll just start with the hair and what I am going to be wearing for the outfit. For the hair, I used a curling wand. You can just use any curling wand you have, preferably a thin curling wand, just because you want to create really small curls. I took really small sections each time. It does take a while to do, but that is how you get the look. So you would just take a small section, maybe about this much. Every time you can kind of like play around with it. You can maybe do larger sections if you want sometimes, but you do want to get those really small curls. For the hair, you would want to part your hair more towards one side. After curling all of your hair, you want to bobby pin, and you can do it like this, or you can even do it on this side, or you can do both. For the actual outfit, it is pretty simple. You might already have some of the things that you need.
This is Sandy from the movie, and this is the look that we are going for. It's pretty simple. You just want to get some black leggings. I got some on Amazon for a pretty good price. I think it was about $15. Also, you might already have some leather leggings or maybe some leather pants. That'll work. And then you also need a black t-shirt. You can do off the shoulder like she has, or just honestly a regular black t-shirt would work as well. And then if you have a black leather jacket, that's great. I don't feel like you have to have it to complete the look, but if you do, I would definitely wear that. I think that it just adds to the look. And then for the shoes, you can't see it in this picture, but she does have red heels on. So if you have those, I know a lot of people would already have those, so that works great. If you don't, you could wear black heels or whatever, that would work just as well. And then lastly, the belts. I got one for about $7 or $8 on Amazon. I will link that in the description box below if you want to see which ones I got. And then also for a finishing touch, if you want, you can get little hoop earrings. You might already have your ears pierced, maybe you already have those, but she's wearing gold hoops. So you can definitely get those for pretty cheap on Amazon too if you don't have them, just to get something to add to the outfit. You don't have to, but that's just an extra little finishing touch.
So that is it for the outfit, so now I'm just gonna jump right into the makeup tutorial. Now I am applying the Bareminerals translucent powder to catch eyeshadow fallout. I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette for this eyeshadow look, and I am using the shade Pukey for the transition shade. So now I am going into the shade Mocha, and I am applying this to the outer portion of the lid just to give it some depth, and then I'm going to lightly bring it into the outer part of the crease. I am going back into the shade Pukey, and I am using a small fluffy brush to apply this to the lower lash line. Now I am using the shade Abyss, and I am just applying this to the outer portion of the lid towards the lash line, and I am just going to blend, and keep on blending until it doesn't look so harsh. Now I am taking the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade OK, and I am just applying this all over the lids. I'm brushing away that translucent powder. It is time for bronzer, so I am using the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in the shade Capri Coast, and I'm just applying this to all the places that need some bronzing. For blush, I am using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Brilliant Nude.
I am using the Fenty Beauty eyeliner to line my upper lash line. I'm just doing a very thin line, and you can use any black eyeliner. I actually got this one for free with a purchase that I made, but any black eyeliner that you have will do just fine. For mascara, I am using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. To finish off the look, I of course have to wear a red lip color, and I am using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer. I almost forgot the highlighter, and you know you can't forget the highlighter. I am using the Becca Pressed Highlighter in the shade Moonstone. If you are curious what I used for my eyebrows, I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. Alright guys, so this is the finished Sandy from Grease look. I hope that it was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.